If you live in Sarasota and you've looked up at your roof lately, you might have noticed unsightly black streaks spreading across your shingles. These streaks aren't just cosmetic. They're signs of biological growth that can affect your roof's appearance and potentially its lifespan. In this video, we'll explain what actually causes black roof streaks in Sarasota, why they come back, and how you can stop them from returning. Black roof streaks are not just dirt. They're often caused by biological growths, especially Gloeocapsa magma, a type of airborne cyanobacteria. Sarasota's heat and humidity create nearly perfect conditions for these organisms. They feed, grow, and spread, leaving dark streaks on your shingles. In Sarasota, roofs rarely fully dry between rainstorms, and that lingering moisture gives algae and other organisms plenty of time to grow. This isn't just about rain, it's about humidity, shade, and warm temperatures, all ingredients that accelerate biological growth. It's largely biological growth, not just dirt or pollution. High-pressure washing can damage shingles, which is why pressure washing is not the best solution. Over time, growth can degrade shingle surface and granules, meaning black streaks can affect roof life. When you see streaks and you think just dirt, you might be tempted to pressure wash, but that can remove protective granules and shorten shingle life. It's not blasting the roof, it's using the right solution at the right pressure to break down and remove growth without damaging shingles. They loosen the biofilm and remove spores so growth doesn't just grow back instantly. Schedule periodic checkups and cleaning. Early removal prevents tough buildup. Zinc or copper products can discourage algae, and these trace metal strips inhibit growth.